Hello students, welcome to your maths class. Today we will start exercise 2.11. So what is here in this chapter? In this chapter you have to solve the word problems based on the division. Now students, before starting this chapter, I want to say or I want to show you the steps in problem solving. That means what are the steps one should follow while solving the word problem. Just have a look. What are these steps? So I divide these steps, these word problem in 3 steps. What we have to do in first step, just have a look. First, understand and decide where to start. That means first you have to read your question properly, and then you have to understand what is given and what you have to find out, and then you have to decide how you will start your solution. Clear, students? Now come to the next point. Find the fact and decide what to do. That means while you are reading your question, you have to find what is given. Find the fact means what is given in that question, and then you have to decide what to do. That means what you have to do in that question, whether it based on divide, multiply, subtraction, addition. By these 2 steps your question is clear, and in third steps you have to solve the problem. Clear, student? First, read your question carefully and try to understand the question and decide how you have to start your question. Second, find the fact. That means you have to find what is given and what you have to find out, and how you will solve your question, whether it's a divide, multiply, subtraction and addition. And in third step you have to solve your question. Clear, students? Now let's begin with the question number 1 of exercise 2.11. What is our question? Just have a look. The cost of 190 shirts is 67,640. Find the cost of one shirt. That means cost of 190 shirt is given here, and we have to find the cost of one shirt. Clear? Now let's begin with the solution. How we have to solve it? So what is given here? Cost of 190 shirt is given here. Cost of 190 shirts it's 67,640. Now what you have to do? Cost of one shirt. Cost of one shirt is equal to 67640 divided by 190. Clear, students? Now we will divide it. Now start multiplying. How it goes? Now students, what we have to do? We have to divide 67,640 with 190. 190 is a 3-digit number. Divisor is 3-digit number. So we have to do all the calculation because we do not know the table of 190. We have to do calculation mentally. So 190 3 digits. So here we will take 3 digit also. 6, 7, 6. Now 19 threes are 57, that means 19 threes are 570. So we will write here 570 and then we subtract it. 6, 0, 1 and we bring down 4 here. It's a 1064. Then again we will start counting. 19, 190, 5s are 950. Now subtract it. 4, 1, 1. We bring down this 0 from here to here. Now it's a 1140. 6 times 196 is 1140. So our answer is 356. Cost of one shirt is 356. Clear, students? Now in this way you have to solve all the questions given in your book. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, 5 and 6. All these 6 questions you have to complete in your notebook. Now just have a look. Question number 3. What you have to do here? A textile mill produce 5,51,152 meter clothes in 7 weeks. What is given here? Production of 7 weeks is given, and what we have to find? We have to find the production of 1 day. Production of 7 weeks is given and we have to find the production of 1 day. So what we have to do here? We have to convert weeks in days first and then we will solve this question. So students, how many days we have in 1 week? 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 7 weeks is equal to 7 into 7, 49 days. That means production of 49 days is given and then you have to find the production of 1 day. So you have to subtract 5,51,152 with 49 days, and in this way you will get your answer. Clear, students? So I hope this question is also clear, and now rest questions are easy. You can solve it. So solve all these 6 questions. This is your today's classwork. Complete it in your notebook, math notebook. Now students, only one chapter is left. Chapter number 2.12, Bodmarsh rule. And this chapter we will discuss in our next class. Clear?